Popelicous.
Welcome to Popelicous. Welcome to Pope. Today we'll be making chips.
And guacamole.
Guacamole,
Dude! Guacamole's made from
avocado!
lime.
So, the first step is to slice your avocado. Second, we're going to scoop out the avocado. Third, put the avocado in the bowl.
It's really slimy.
Ugh.
Now you slice your lime. We're going to squish this juice into our avocado. Do you want me to, Ainsley? Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Second roll. Touch it, it looks disgusting.
And you have to touch the,
Yeah, but it's not that disgusting because I'm not touching that thing and just touching the shell, which you cannot. Then we're gonna put in the salsa.
Now we're going to take the smashing bowl and then we're going to smash it.
Smash it hard. And don't forget to smash it hard. Our secret ingredient is a little bit of sour cream to make it creamy. We're gonna put the seed in so then when we eat it, it doesn't turn brown.
And this is what this looks like.
And we're gonna put it in the middle.
Next, we're going to make the chips to dip the guacamole in.
And she meant when she said the last word, because the chips are to dip, like the guacamole is the dip to dip, and the chips, you get to scoop the chip in, and then the guacamole gets on. It's like dip. Do you know what dip means? Do you understand me? Okay?
So, we're going to get a large tea cups.
And these are what they look like. It doesn't matter how many. It depends on how many chips you
we
want to
got 3. Because we're going to do a lot of chips.
But
We're going to cut the chips
into triangles. He's cutting into pizza strips.
Wait, you said stripes.
We're going to put our chips onto our baking sheets. Make them spread it out so they don't get stuck to chip. We are going to wipe oil onto our chips.
Some of us so you get oil on both sides. And to add the salt. Searching for my lost Chico and salt.
Wait for a second.
Salt.
Just a
salt.
And this is really important. Just a little pinch of salt for all of them. Squeeze a little lime in them. Wait, 1 second. What goes better with salt than lime?
Tequila.
Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. We're going to bake the chips to 8 to 12 minutes. After you let them cool, you could try them. Then, I guess. Can I try?